My air horn and my bear spray here in my little side pouch for encountering any species that are interested in eating me. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So today, as you can see, we've made it quite a ways up from where the culvert is. There's actually a tree down across the path here, which you'll see in a little bit. Michelle and I have a rule, no chainsawing when she's not home or when somebody else is not home. So we're gonna leave that log there for today, and we're not gonna be firing up the chainsaw because she's not home. So what we're gonna do is we've got our Stihl FS91 4-stroke trimmer. We've got our big steel blade on the end that we use to cut down a few of those trees down there. We're actually going to go, if you continue around this tree, the road this is where it does the switch back up. And so we're going to fire this up. We're going to start cutting some brush all the way up that way and see how things go. And hopefully we will be able to show you the lookout from the bluff. Maybe this video, maybe next video. I don't know yet. We'll see how it goes. Here's a picture of what happened when I tried to get the quad up here. So this picture shows the quad with a very broken rider's right front wheel. To my surprise, after looking into this, there was a recall on this Kawasaki Prairie. A pretty serious one, basically death or serious dismemberment. The front ball joints break or come out of the A-arm for whatever reason, and I'm sure you can appreciate if what you see here in this picture, if that had broken off at speed, what the outcome of that would have been. A very hard right turn. So we're gonna do a little quick demo on this thing here. We've just filled it up with gas. What I like to do is I turn it full choke, pump the primer bulb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. No throttle at all, just full choke. Give it a pull. It's choked right now. It's bogging a bit. Knock it back 1. And then put it on run, and it should idle now that it's a little warmed up, eh? It might bog a little bit at first until it's completely warm, but okay, let's get suited up and we'll take you up the trail with us. You can see I've got my my air horn and my bear spray here in my little side pouch for encountering any species that are interested in eating me. So, let's go. So you can see how it's pretty hard to tell how steep this is, but oh, I'd say it's 15% at minimum. There's the tractors down there. That's where the trees across the road, and that goes down to the culvert. So you go down here, you make a right, tight right, and then you go back down that trail. So let's go up to where the machine is here and show you what's going on. So it makes pretty short work of this stuff. The road's pretty decent. You can see there were some horses and stuff here. You can see this crisscross fence. I don't know what the actual name is for that stuff, but it's all along here. So you can see we've come from all the way down there where that tree crosses the trail. That is the turn that goes to the tractor. So here's where we've gotten to now. We've got to clean all this brush up here, but you can see it's I don't know, maybe 6-7 feet wide. I think would be, the tractor's fine. Quad and small trailers fine. I can't see anything else making it up here. Maybe a little old Toyota 4x4 or something. You can see more of this fencing, and there's a bunch of stockpile logs here. It's actually not as dense as you'd think it would be down in there. So that, I guess if you were to run straight down here, you'd probably end up at the woodshed, I'm thinking. So we've gone up, we've continued to turn right. We're sort of circling around this bluff here. There's a beauty shot. Sun coming through the trees there. Some more of that cool fencing. Almost at like a little plateau here. And then it continues to climb up the property from there. I don't really know where the road goes now. I'm actually looking at this now. I believe there's a road that goes that way, and also there's a road that goes this way. This looks wider than that one. Looks like they made a turn here, hey? Looks like they made a turn here and went that way. But this one's also... Let's go in here for a little bit and see what's going on. See if this road disappears. Okay, so where we got here? No, this is the road here. So there's two roads here. There you go. We found this together. Two roads. I thought it was only one road that went to the right. There's actually another skid road that goes to the left here. So next video we're gonna do maybe we'll follow this road to the right, and we'll go around and we'll show that lookout up there, which is a gorgeous view of the valley and the lakes, and yeah. So, and then this road looks like it continues on to the left. So that might actually be a better road to get access for wood that's blown down than this road, but we'll see. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So that's a wrap on today's video. We're gonna get all this brush that we've cut down all clean up, and next video we're gonna go around the corner. We're gonna stay on that road on the right and see if we can come up around to the high side here and show you guys a nice view of the valley. If you like these videos, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, share them with a family member or friend, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.